What's up, future fighters? We are back. We are back. Where are we? That's the database. That's the AI database you're looking at. But what we need to get to is we need to get to the code. We made a mistake. We omitted a change in script combo escape where move settings is called. And we got to fix it. We got to fix it. Right there it is. And so in this particular case, we did successfully update. Let's see here. We did not successfully update where script combo escape sequence is called. irandom1 is the parameter. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if that's called anywhere else by searching through all of the AI code. I just put it all in one file. There it is in endcombo, and we're just searching down for where it is actually called, and no, it is not called anywhere else except right here, which is that is just great for us. So super duper, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring up endcombo where it is called. Here it is. irandom1 is the setting which would have been needed to been passed to. However, now it doesn't anymore because that is taken care of here. So, and you can see that's actually what it was originally, was follow through last input was irandom1. And of course, the next parameter we have to set is the follow through last input. And in this particular case, the transition type. In this particular case, this is a very quick move. The combo escape sequence is a very quick move. So let's go through that. So let me bring up. So let's put this over here. We are going through move number 9. So counter projectile one shot. Okay. Can link stay in. That's a good move in case someone's spamming you with block breakers. You can use that, and the AI uses it. Counter strike one shot forward combo stay in. It's a nice follow-up move. It looks like it's a counter. And move number 17, which is counter sweep one shot backwards. And so this is a move to get out. So this is interesting here because there's an opportunity here to add more moves, which is really interesting. Let's see. Oh, I made myself some notes. So you can add more moves than just 0. But they must be stay-in counters. Preferentially, they should also not be links. Yes, that's correct. Right. Waste energy. Okay, good. Okay, good. Just updated that. So there's another opportunity there. We're not going to work on that right now. We'll see that note sometime in the future, and we'll take care of it then. This is to get you out, so that's a very specific move that was designed for this sequence. Now, actually, so does this really need to be fast? Actually, it really doesn't. the move is done, and humanization is also a big part of my AI development and my goals for the AI, and randomizing the oh, I'm sorry. We already randomized the follow-up. Sorry, transition type. This is different. Transition type is very, very different because this is pretty cool. Transition type is going to vary depending on the move. Which is why these need to go through strike control. This is a great find, something that we're not going to be able to correct today because this is going to be a heavy lift. This is going to be a heavy lift. But having moves, especially combo moves like these, set outside of strike control falls back into that process where you have to set a bunch of parameters manually. We don't want that. We want Shadow setting the parameters automatically. We want him making the decisions. Because when this AI is built, what we just want to do is just feed him moves, just teach him how to use the characters, and he does the rest himself. And that way we can build tons and tons and tons and tons of different AIs for you to face. And that's going to be a big part of the game. This is absolutely fascinating. Now, for now, to make it work, we could set this as -1, except, you know, this is a follow-through move. So, I mean, we can hack this together right now. And you know I hate that. You know I hate that. I do not like that. I like making sure, I like everything neat and clean. The good news is that script choose block, the move settings will already be in it. And technically, in the end, actually, let me do this. Let me copy this, okay, copy that, and then I'm gonna undo. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna, how about I copy? It's good. So this was, I remember, use my memory for once instead of the computer's memory. Ah, that's funny. So it'll be set there, no problem. We're gonna manually set something here. Shame on me. Oh jeez, look, I messed up the tabs already on that. I need to see what these moves are. So I'm just going to put this on the other screen. I'll read it out. So number 9 is counter projectile, one shot neutral, can link stay in. So, I mean, we can randomize it to make it more human. That's fine. And then down here, 0. That is actually going to be a hard setting. Oh, I did it again. That's interesting. It must have been something with the way I wrote this. Because 0 has a specific move. Oh, so 9 probably does too. We got to check strike control. for number 9. There's number 9. It's case 0. So it's actually 0. So this can't be random. This has to be 0. That is the transition type for it. It is 0. And so is this. I just know that intuitively because I've coded it so many times. But I'll show you since we're doing a video together. It's funny. Oops. It helps if you go find it. So you could see here's case 0 and there's move 0, and then that should be the only place that it's actually set. Yeah, it's not set down here, you see. Why don't I even find that? You can just go to case 0 and right there. Okay, well, anyway. I'm getting a little silly here. Next is move number 17. 17, counter sweep, one shot backwards. This should not be a 0. It definitely shouldn't be 0, and it probably won't be a 3. Let's just, yeah, it's a 2. It's transition type 2. Is it the only place it is? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna not save strike control because who knows what I was doing there. Let's take this. So that'll get this set correctly so that the code actually functions and works, which always a plus. Oops. And that's good. But this is not the way this should be, and that is one of the best things about programming based on my martial arts and sparring methods, is that when things don't fit, they don't fit conceptually in the game either, and you find your errors that way. So we're gonna fix that. If you want to see that and see more Future Fighter, go to docbrockgames.com and check out the alpha version of the game. You can check out the features that I've got so far, the 2 characters that are in the game so far, the screenshots from the game so far, and notice some, yeah, it's a 2D game, right? Got some 3D stuff going on. Whew. There's other details in those screenshots if you pay close attention. Most importantly, put your email address in at the bottom, and I will let you know when this game comes out. Then come back to YouTube, because we got to fix this AI. I'll see you then.